conduct a motu proprio inquiry in aid of legislation on the reported request of the United States government for the extradition of Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy. I heard a second. The same has been seconded. Do I hear any objection? The chair hears none. The motion to conduct motu proprio inquiry in aid of legislation on the request of the United States government for the extradition of Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy is hereby granted. Pursuant to our rules, the same shall be forwarded to the Committee on Rules to solicit its conformity as part of our requirements to proceed to the motu proprio inquiry. We therefore direct the committee secretary. The Committee on Justice is one of the standing committees in the House of Representatives. Under Section 28 of the Rules of the House of Representatives, this committee has jurisdiction over all matters directly and principally relating to the following. Number one, the administration of justice. Number two, the judiciary. Number three, the practice of law and integration of the bar. Number four, legal aid. Number five, penitentiaries and reform schools. Number six, adult probation. Number seven, impeachment proceedings. Number eight, registration of land titles. Number nine, immigration, deportation, and naturalization. And finally, number 10, the definition of crimes and other offenses punishable by law and other penalties. Under the rules, the committee shall be composed of 55 members. At present, we have 35 members, led by this representation as chairperson, with the following vice chairpersons. Vice Chairperson Mauricio G. Dumogan from the Lone District of the City of Baguio. Vice Chairperson Attorney Danilo Danny A. Domingo from the